Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope everyone are fine there. Children, in previous chapter we learned lesson number 1. Now we'll take a quick review and move to the question and answers. Types of software. There are two types of software. One is application software, the other is system software. Application software is designed to perform some specific type of jobs like Word, PowerPoint, etc. And system software that allow the hardware to run properly in our system. Example, operating systems, language processors, device drivers, utility software. What is operating system? Operating system is a system software that manages computer hardware, software resources, and provides common services for computer programs. And example for the operating system is it is just like a school principal who handles the various responsibilities to perform such managing the school, supervising the students, teachers and workers. Isn't it? Without a school principal, the school does not work properly. Everything will become unorganized. Isn't it, children? So, likewise, operating system is essential for a computer. Without operating system, a computer is useless. Understood? Features and functions of operating system. Process management. It is one of the important function of the operating system. It ensures that it receives enough time and process the function properly. Memory storage and management. It takes care of the utilization of different types of memory such as RAM, cache, etc. and ensures the proper execution in every process. File management, the operating system keeps track on every information regarding the filing, storing the data, deletion, transfer, copy, etc. And it maintains a systematic order. Device management, it is also one of the important function in the operating system. The important role is coordinating and controlling the input and output devices, security and protection. The operating system ensures that the information stored in the computer should not be accessed by any unauthorized persons. Enforcement of priority. It determines and maintains a specific order in various jobs that are executed in computer system. Provision of user interface. It facilitates two types of interface, that is CUI and GUI, character user interface and graphical user interface. Job control. It runs the application and programs and communicate with the instructions given by the user and see that the job is done in a correct way. It communicates with the user and it receives the commands. It is and perform the work in a proper way. It is called JCL, Job Control Language. Types of operating system. Single user operating system, where the operating system allows only single user to work on a computer. Single person can work on a computer. Example for such type of operating systems are Microsoft DOS, Windows 3.1, etc. Due to the limited features, now they are not in use. Multi-user operating system. The operating system allows more than one user to work on the same system. Multi-process operating system. The operating system consists of several processors that share a common physical memory. Multitasking operating system, it has the ability to perform several tasks, is called multitasking operating system. Multi-threading operating system allows different parts of the software programs to run simultaneously. RTOS, real-time operating system, it handles real-time scenarios and problems. Example for these are air traffic control, robots, etc. Distributed operating system, it runs a set of computers that are located in different geographical and they are interconnected by the network. Types of user interface, that is CUI and GUI, you can see on the screen. CUI is nothing but character user interface and it is also known as command line interface. GUI is known as graphical user interface. And command line interface is the space on the display screen in which commands are typed by the user. Graphical user interface, the interface is graphics based on interactive in nature. Different devices such as mouse, keyboard, etc. are used to interact with the system. Children, let us now read in the blanks. First one is dash refers to the physical parts of the computer that you can see and touch. Answer is hardware. Second one, dash refers to the instructions or programs that tell the hardware what to do. Answer is software. Dash software is a set of programs designed to perform specific type of job. Application software. Fourth one, dash operating system runs on the computer which are located in different geographical areas interconnected through a network. Answer is distributed. Fifth one, dash is a space on the display screen in which commands are typed by the user. Command line. Coming to true or false, children. First one, computer work within an interaction of hardware and software. True. Second one, application software is a collection of one or more programs that controls and manages the overall operations and performance of a computer system. It is false. Third one, operating system acts as a central coordination between the user and the software. False. Fourth one, multi-threading operating systems allows more than one user to use the same computer at the same time or at a different time. It is false. CUI requires the user to type commands in order to interact with the computer system. It is true. Coming to multiple choice questions, children. First one, a computer interrupts the instructions given by the user with the help of an dash. It is operating system. A. Second one, the ability to perform more than one task together at one time is called dash. Answer is B. That is multitasking. Third one, dash has the capability to prioritize the process, minimize the execution time and work independently with no interdependence. The answer is A. RTOS, real-time operating system. Fourth one is character user interface is also known as dash interface. It is command line interface, that is B. Fifth one, dash requires more RAM to run. It is graphical user interface, children. A. By this we completed the objective part. Shall we move to question and answers? Question and answers. Define hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical part of the computer that you can see and touch, whereas software refers to the instructions or programs that tell the hardware what to do. It is not a physical part, but it is stored on the physical medium. Second question, what is the system software? Into how many categories it can be classified? A system software is a collection of one or more programs that controls and manages the overall operations and perform of a computer system. It can be classified into four categories: operating system, language processor, device drivers, utility software. Third question, explain why we need an operating system. Answer is, we need an operating system, OS, that is, because it is the center of interaction between software and hardware component. Further, an operating system encompasses all operations such as what to do, when to do, and how to do. Fourth question, children. Explain any two functions of operating system. The two functions of operating system are as follows. Process management. First one is, the operating system ensure that all process or application receive enough time from process to function properly. Second one, file management. The operating system keeps a track of information regarding creation, deletion, transfer, copy, and storage of files in an organized manner. Fifth one, what are the advantages of GUI over CUI? Answer is, GUI, GUI interface is much attractive and appealing, whereas CUI interface is relatively less appealing. GUI is easier to learn and more friendly since it contains various graphical elements like icons, menus, buttons, etc. Where CUI is a text-based interface and is not user-friendly. GUI, multiple tasks can run simultaneously at a time, whereas CUI, only one task can be executed at a particular point. By this we completed lesson number 1, objectives and question and answers, children. Meet you in the next class. Thank you very much.